What the hex? I got it. Okay, cool. And it's a new issue. I want to remove all page breaks forever in all documents in Microsoft Word. My goal is to have each document be one long continuous page, like how it is in WordPad. How can I achieve this with WordPad? I don't know what you want me to say. The page breaks annoying the heck out of me. Double clicking them to simply collapse them, but still have the line there, also doesn't work. I want all documents to literally be formatted as just one super long, huge column like in Microsoft WordPad. Is it Microsoft WordPad? I thought it was just WordPad. How can I achieve this goal in Microsoft Word? Thanks. Well, that's a good question. And I don't know. Nobody's ever asked me that before. Microsoft Word, no page breaks. Manual page break in Word. How do you make a page break? How can I remove page breaks? By pressing delete, home, show hide, editing marks button. If you cannot see the page break showing in the document, no, that's not it. I want to type a 10-page essay. I would type and realize, well, this is another one. Answers at Microsoft. Let's see what they say. Why is this program Microsoft not putting page breaks? How do I fix this? Separating pages at all, so I have no clue how many pages I have typed. I was typing and realized that the program was not separating pages at all, so I have no clue how many pages I have typed. That's not it. Wow. Stumped by a word issue. That never happens. Delete a page break. Yeah. This will display non-printing characters, section breaks, page breaks. You can try this. This will delete non-printing characters. So you can try to hide them. Let's try that. So remove me through PSU. I want to remove page breaks. Well, no one has asked me this question before. So now we have to answer it. I did find something about hiding the page breaks. Maybe this will work for you. I do have Word on here, I think. Let me see. Let me try. Sure, I'm willing to break my word to work his issue. Blank document. All right, let me just press enter like 80 times. Okay, and just type something towards the bottom. And then what did it say? It said this will display non-printing. Select home, show hide paragraph mark. Home, show hide paragraph mark. Okay, let's try that real quick. I'm just trying this off screen here. Show hide paragraph mark. What? Home. There is no show hide paragraph mark. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, there is. There's borders. Oh. No. No. That doesn't fix it. No. That doesn't do anything. Lines and spacing. Remove space after paragraph. No, that's not gonna do it. Okay, well, yeah, I don't know if there's a way to do this. Well, no one has asked me that question before, so now I have to answer it. I did find something about hiding the page breaks. No, that won't do it. Delete a page break. Show hide paragraph mark. This will display non-printing characters, paragraph marker, section breaks, page breaks, etc. that you may want to see when you're working. Double click the page break so it's selected and then press delete. No, that's not it. Well, no one has asked me this question before, so now I did find something about hiding page breaks. Maybe but in testing, this did not work. I don't believe. Ooh. Here's what we'll do. Okay. I don't believe there is a way to do this. However, if you have Word, then you also have OneNote. And OneNote allows you to do this. So I would just swap to OneNote, then enable ruled lines, so it's like Word, and use that instead. Hope that helps. Yeah. Combo breaker. So yeah, with this one here, I would say switch from Word to OneNote, and then OneNote lets you do that. So OneNote it's an endless line of paragraphs. So basically you can kind of go as long and as far as you want to without having to worry about it. So essentially what you want is OneNote, but because you have Word, you also have OneNote. So that's how you would counter that. Wow, how long did that take me to work that? Now I got to figure it out. It took me what, like 4 minutes? That's not crazy, but it's not great. I'm not crazy about that. That took me a while. That was a stumper. I didn't think about that. I should have came up with that idea pretty quickly. Because if he's using Word, then he obviously has OneNote, because nobody who has Word doesn't have OneNote anymore, because most people have like an Office 365 or something like that. Or they just have a Word license, but they also have OneNote. So yeah. Yeah. That's smart. I should have came up with that quicker. But I'll take it. That's a W. It's gonna be one. Well, unless he says he doesn't want to use OneNote, then I don't know what to tell him. But I don't think it's possible in Word to do that.